Did you know a snoring hippo can sound like a chainsaw? But let's focus on humans. Snoring, that nighttime symphony, is caused by the vibration of respiratory structures due to obstructed air movement during sleep. It might seem harmless, but chronic snoring can lead to disrupted sleep patterns and even health issues like high blood pressure. Imagine your body trying to rest while dealing with the equivalent of a small construction site in your throat. Not the most soothing lullaby, right? Want to turn off that nightly noise? Find our full detailed video on how to stop snoring on our YouTube channel. Click below to watch.